Yo, I was laughing at some Facebook posts. People like to joke with me and say I'm decimating the redfish population. So there's a guy who was joking, and there's people thinking he was serious, but he was just joking. But I got a lot of that. You know, I post to a Facebook page, and you know my catches, and people really give me hell for it. Now, there's people who understand. There's smart people left in the world, and but you know, we're not gonna go there. How's it going, y'all? It's about 52 degrees. It's blowing about 684 miles an hour. The reincarnation of Katrina has came back without rain. It's just wind. So we're gonna have to see what we could do out here. Northwest. Yeah, at about 30. Literally, it's gusting like crazy. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So when I get to the water, I'll get y'all the water temperature. It's gonna be horrible conditions, but we're gonna see what we can do. All right, y'all, stay tuned, and I appreciate everybody. I'm over 800 subs now, and that's awesome. That's crazy. I don't know. Anyway, see y'all. All right, y'all, water temp is about 55, 56, depending where I'm at. Just getting out here. The water's super gone. I got a chartreuse. Oh, Mr. Wiffle. That made an old man sound. Granted, I've been doing that. Anyway, yeah, Mr. Wiffle, chartreuse. I put on a heavier jig head, a 3/8 ounce. I'm about to crash. And, you know, it's really windy, so I want to be able to hold bottom really well. God, I'm hitting mud way over here. That's how shallow it is, right? That's how low the water is. I never hit mud here. So I got the chartreuse Mr. Wiffle on a 6'9" medium Shimano GLF with a Shimano Tranx. And let me tell you what, 30-pound braid. What kind is this again? Yozuri. It's cheap, and I swear I like it. So we're gonna see if we can put y'all. I'm gonna try the main canal for a minute because the water's so low. I'm gonna see if there's any fish in this main canal. There might be, but I'll get back to you guys. All right, y'all, man. Second bite of the day, literally. First one was a rat red I caught, and I couldn't get the camera to come on. And then this one here is a rat red as well. It's extremely slow. The main canal was dead, and it's just very, very tough conditions because the main reason is because I can't go where I would like to go because of the wind. But I'm thinking about taking a little risk. Nothing risky, nothing too risky, but a little risky for the biscuit. You know, I gotta risk it for the biscuit, as they say. Very cloudy, gloomy, cold, windy day. If I could go where I want to go, it'd be on fire. All right, I gotta make that good cast. Here we go. Yep, right here in the tide. Right where that tide's coming out strong. That's where they were getting me. Couldn't hook them. Got this huge jig head on. I just lost a speckled trout. Guys, I am cold. I got wet. The wind is so bad, and I came through some open water to get here. So it's gonna be a fun time trying to go home. Boy, is it gonna be fun, because there's a major flat that comes way out when I have to round the corner to get home, and I have to go way out around it because the water is like the water's like record low right now, so that flat is gonna stick way out. It's just gonna be a fun time. I'm having some issues trying to catch anything, man. Today is a day. Come on, baby. There he is. Oh, that was a big redfish. He thumped it so hard, guys. Yep, now I'm gonna get skunked. That'll be my only hit. Watch how they do me. That was a big redfish. I hate this jig head. Don't like it. Dang it. Oh, man. Oh, man, it's bad. I'm cold, guys. Cold and wet. And scared to go back in that wind. I mean, I wouldn't say scared, but I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling it. I just caught a rat red. Didn't want to show him on camera. And then I caught that trout. And let's see if anybody else is home. There he is, trout. Mr. Wiffle Trout. Oh man, mouth was wide open. He splashed all up on my face. God bless me. Come on, I need a big fish to warm me up, even though I lost one already. But I'll take one right now. Got one now. Oh, there he is. Dang. It's all trout. It's all trout. I had to take off that freaking whatever size jig head that was. I think it was a freaking ½ ounce. That thing was too heavy. There he is. You ain't gonna keep her, are you? Ah, you ain't gonna keep her. So cold. I don't know what a big I don't know what a big fish feels like. Baby, got me a fishy. Got me a fishy. He was in no water. He's crazy. Get in the boat. I don't think he's a keeper. Yeah, you know what? You know what? You know what? I'm not keeping. No way. He ain't a keeper. I don't have a measure. He's not a keeper. He might be, but he's probably not. Psychopathic fish was in no water, man. Just chilling. Literally chilling. There he is. Woohoo! Hot dog! Dun, 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 dun. You were in no water too. Oh my gosh, you won't stop. My hands are frozen, I can't react. He's gonna get off, I can tell you right now. Oh, that's a Brutus Maximus. That's a Brutus Maximus. I'm not getting skunked, baby. I'm not getting skunked. It ain't happening. It ain't happening. Oh. No, he feels warm compared to out here. I can't grab him. Oh, come here. 11% battery, what you gonna do about it? On the Mr. Wiffle, all jacked up. I need a new one, but that's a 20-incher. That's a 20-incher. That there's a 20-incher, boy. Okay, okay. Can we open this? Can we open the live well? Thank you. I'm gonna get re-rigged, guys, and I'll be back. Speckled trout incoming. Looks like I might be sleeping out here, guys. It's gonna be so cold tonight too. I'm gonna have to like I'm gonna get stuck in here. I can tell you right now, the northwest wind is not gonna let this tide come in, and I'm gonna get stuck out here, and I'm gonna have to climb in this dry storage and go to sleep because I'm gonna have to protect myself from the wind. That's the only way. So come along and join me on this epic adventure. I'm cold. This epic we call it a catch and cook for some reason, but try to catch a fish and survive out here in the cold. That's what we're gonna call it. Living in a dry storage that's not dry because it gets wet when it rains. So that's what we're doing. Hope you're ready for the adventure. It's really a beautiful slope. Spank. Oh, there he was right there. He hit the first cast, or first, right when it hit the bottom. Right when it hits the bottom, let's see if he's still here. We make a good cast, we put it there, and we let it hit the bottom, and we jig. And nothing. I didn't put it up there far enough. There he is, guys. There he is. This is a beautiful rat red. If you take a look at him, he's really heavy. He's hefty. Very healthy fish. Probably eating on crabs and shrimps and cheeseburgers. Let's see if there's another. There's probably another up there. It's rat reds. Love to be by each other. They're lonely little fish. And he should be right here. Where you at, boy? Where are you at? You're not there? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. We'll go down the line a little bit. There we go. Here he comes. Here he comes. All right, so these. Ooh, there he was. And there he was. That was a rat. I really think it was because he hit it like a little fishy girl. I don't know what a little fishy girl is, but that's what he hit it like. Can I get him to hit again? And let me get out this tree real quick because I'm not bass fishing. Where you at? Really? You didn't want to come back for it? It's a MrWiffle.com. You don't like MrWiffles.coms? Oh, wow. What happened to my bait? I'm pretty manic right now. I don't know what's going on. I think the hypothermia has froze my brain cells, and I'm struggling for life right now. He really did, man. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Do you have a redfish over here? I don't know what I'm doing. I got one fish in the box and it's gonna be a catch and cook because I don't have a lot of fish to sell. These fish seem to be really focused in on the shallers, right off the edge of the mud humps and stuff like that. So we're gonna just twitch it off and keep it shallow because redfish refuse to go deep. I mean, they'll go deep, but they refuse to go deep too at the same time. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this should be a hit. I'm gonna tell you right now, I ain't playing around. This is no joke, serious business. Oh, you should have been there. Why are you not there? Really? I'll be there for you. All right, no, this is the hit. Here he comes, here he comes. I'm so sad right now, y'all. I'm so sad. I've been talking to y'all for 20 minutes. I've been explaining what I'm doing. I've been talking about it. And I even said right before I caught this fish, yo, what is going on here? I even said right before I caught this fish that I always get a keeper here because I wasn't getting too many bites. I did a rookie mistake. I wasn't recording. Oh, it's a nice one though. Rookie mistake, Andy. God dang it. I turned on, but I didn't have a recording. That is my life in a nutshell. So I pulled up here. I was like, you know, this is my area. I always get a keeper here. I called it. I took a cast and that sucker was on it. And y'all will never know it because I didn't have the camera on. But I expect another keeper, if that means anything. It probably won't happen now, but I expect another keeper right up here by this point. My nose is running like a sink. I expect one, but they've already given me the one I was talking about, probably. Andy, you really are stupid. I got a limit of fish. Come on, baby. There's got to be one up here. There's got to be one up here. Not you on camera. Are you keeper? I don't know. Gotta be. No, you're not. You're a freaking rat red. Why are you fighting so hard? God, he fought like harder than the other one I just caught. Man, oh man. It was a really funny situation too when I was catching that fish. I said some goofy things. Everyone would have laughed at me. It would have been great. Are you gonna hit bottom? Yeah, you're on bottom. There he is. Oh goodness, baby. Every kiss begins with K. Oh, hey, there's always a couple fish here jigging on the bottom. He's really got it in his throat. I don't have a net though. All right, get out of my way. Look at this stud buffin right here. Kind of remind me of myself. He's a good one, man. I knew when I stuck him, he felt like he was a giant. Now this is the fun part, guys. This is where it happens. This is where you get really screwed without a net. Just kind of get your hands in there. Get dirty. Grab him under his neck.
and let him know he ain't nothing. Yeah, he's looking. Oh, did I get that on? If I didn't get that on film, I'm quitting. Yep, I got it. All right, now this fish has got me in a weird situation. Gotta put my knees on him. Open up that mouth. They're really liking this Chaz's new lure, this matrix mullet thingy, whatever. I don't know, this thing. I'm with like, well, with everything, but I'm terrible explaining everything and like, this is exactly what I'm using. Y'all know how I am. Where are the pliers? Like, see, I just had the pliers, but they're gone now. Oh, there they are. I'm gonna give it to y'all raw footage. Oh, you tell me that ain't a good tournament fish. It's a good one there. I'll measure them later when I get a measurer. But that's foe in the box, foe in the box. Great fish, great hit. He had a very muddy belly, which indicates that he's lying on the bottom. And we're gonna, all right, I need to be left alone. Quit calling me. People like to call you when you catch fish. You ever notice that? They know. They're like, he just caught a fish, let me call him. I wonder if there's another one. I think it's a rat. It gotta be a rat. Yeah, it's a rat. Hello, rat. Quarter-ounce jig head with a matrix shad. I think I said that like 900 times. But people ask me, even though I say it. I don't know. So I figure I'd say it a lot. Oh, there's another rat bread. Yes, it is. There's another rat bread. Yes, it is. Oh, he's a heavy rat. Okay, you're gonna have to sit in the boat for a minute then, since you want to go deep sea diving down there. See if you got any more friends here. And where you at? A lot of times I like drop offs to where, okay, imagine the whole canal itself basically is about the same depth, maybe 2 foot, and then right off the bank it's like 4 foot, like a quick 4 foot. Those little bitty tiny drops like that are my favorite. I don't like anything deeper than that, really, unless it's really cold. But other than that, man, there's usually fish on those short, quick drop-offs. That's where they usually like to go. Joe, I always get one here. I didn't get one today yet. Maybe I'll get one coming out, but I always get a red up in that. See, that's when I missed my turn, I got stuck in that, but it was underwater a little bit. That's where I ended up getting stuck. That, yeah. Crazy like that, man. I can't believe I did. I'd never done that before. That's what I get. Gotta learn. That's how you learn. You mess up. Very, very difficult conditions. I don't know. It's a bad idea to be out here today. Good one, baby. Got a good one. He got off. I don't have a net. He was probably 7. No, he was probably like 9 pounds. I don't have a net, man. It's my fault for not having a net. I mean, oh well. Oh well. Made a little move, y'all. Gonna fish this for just a couple of minutes, and I'm gonna try to work my way home because it's getting windier and darker and colder and uglier out here, and the water's getting lower. So I gotta do something. I was hoping for one more fish. It's caught a rat, but you know those don't count. Nope, there was a bite. I didn't like it though. Felt like a trout. There's one. That's a trout. That's a speckled trout. Hello. Hello, my friend. How are you? Would you like to be released? Hello. All little dudes up in here lately, man. Maybe there's another one. Dang, I just hit my own line with my hand and I almost set the hook. That's how messed up that is. Like, it got me really excited. Well, y'all, it's a tough day. I gotta get up out of here. It's pretty vicious, this wind, and I am cold. So I'm gonna try to fish up to this cove, see if I can pick one out of this cove where this water's kind of churning around, and then if not, I think I'm gone.